Penginig ko.
We are the senior high school students of Divine Word College of San Jose. And we would like to advocate and encourage operational support to Mangyan tribe, language, and handicrafts.
We would like to know the beauty and uniqueness of our Katutubong Mangyan in Occidental Mindoro.
Our advocacy is to promote Mangyan handicrafts.
And also to acknowledge and to expand the information about the two languages of Mangyan. This includes the Hanuno and Buni.
To foster a community where Mangyan can be accepted and encouraged by giving hope and support to the tribe.
Our advocacy is to promote and preserve the Mangyan cultures and traditions. See you, mga Renos.